Welcome to our ultimate guide for casual spring outfits in 2025, as the flowers bloom and the weather warms up. It's the perfect time to refresh your wardrobe with stylish yet comfortable spring essentials. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends and must-have pieces from Amazon's spring collection for 2025. Whether you're looking for a laid-back weekend look or a chic outfit for a day out, we've got you covered. From breathable fabrics and vibrant colors to versatile pieces that can easily be mixed and matched, these outfits are perfect for a variety of occasions. From brunch with friends to a stroll in the park, we'll show you how to put together the perfect combination of comfort, style, and affordability, all available on Amazon. Expect to see trendy lightweight jackets, comfy denim, flowy dresses, and stylish sneakers that will elevate your spring look without breaking the bank with Amazon's fast shipping. You can have all of your favorite pieces delivered straight to your door in no time. Stay tuned as we walk you through everything you need to know about casual spring fashion for 2025. Along with tips on styling and accessorizing to make sure you're ready for whatever the season brings. Whether you're a fan of pastel tones, bold prints, or minimalist neutrals, there's something for everyone. So grab your favorite cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into the season's hottest styles, all available at the click of a button on Amazon.